tilted. Okay, I'll take pics too then. Then we can.
This is a big doink. This is a big doink.
On the landscape.
Damn, that scared me. But it's an ambulance. It's going. Huh? Nothing, stay there. Okay. Alright, it's taking us. Okay, I'm gonna put the gimbal on. What? Yeah.
Are you sure? It's still going, yeah.
Stupid. Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
It's just my hands are really cold from that metal.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Now we just got like 28 flights to go.
Oh, we gotta walk down.
I know. Yeah, well, no, it'll just get us dizzy.
Yeah.
Counting 18 floors down. 10 more to go.
Video. Before I end everything, I just want to say, or ask, I suppose, if you guys want more of this kind of stuff, exploring bandos, vlogs, tutorials, because been getting a lot of mixed responses, and like people are like, oh, post more exploring videos, but then when we do that, they don't get views, and when we post camera stuff, they get views, but it doesn't seem like people want that. So this video was filmed, I think, a little bit before Christmas, so 3 months ago. It's already February 28th, which is honestly crazy. I feel like New Year's was yesterday. Chances are you won't be seeing this video until May or June though. because we'll probably get a ton of hate for it.